Hey guys, what's up? I'm on my way to Zurich for a garage opening party. I'm not entirely sure what to expect today, but I've heard there's going to be a black car and it's a remake of a legend, and it will have its world premiere at the Motor Show in Geneva in about 2 months, and I will be able to check out the car today. So this is going to be quite amazing for me actually, and I'm probably going to be the only one on YouTube to check this car out before the rest of the world's going to see it. So the garage we're visiting today is not a regular garage, as the founder used to work as an engineer for Cameron Glickenhaus. You might know this brand. They are a Nürburgring lap time record holder, so I am really excited. Let's get on our way. Let's head out. Alright guys, we made it to this garage here. It's called Traum Motorsport, and we're already starting with a quick GT3, and we're now going to head into the place, and I'm gonna tell you we have some very special cars here. I'm going to take you around and it is unbelievable. If you want to check out the website of Traum Motorsport, it's going to be in the description, and I would say let's go inside. Alright, now hopping into the car here. Alright, here we are now inside the Sin R1 550, and this car is so rare. Basically this is a crazy opportunity. We have a naturally aspirated V8 in this car, and it produces 550 horsepower. And with a weight of only 1,400 kilograms, this is quite impressive. Alright, so far this is the key for this car. We have carbon fiber everywhere in this car, and the craziest thing in this car is that you're able to have it with a manual transmission, which is absolutely incredible. And very soon in this year's Motor Show in Geneva, so basically in about 2 months, this brand is going to present a new Sin, and we're going to have a plug-in hybrid with that one, so stay tuned for that because it's going to be a world premiere. And with the new plug-in hybrid, the car is able to drive 60 kilometers with pure electric, so this is going to be very nice. We have a few other very interesting cars around here. We have the Glickenhaus here. The owner of this place used to be the mechanic for the Glickenhaus, so he is basically the one who built this car, and it is just incredible. Yeah, really excited to be here. Thanks again to Traum Motorsport. Link is in the description. Let's go. Alright guys, now bringing you along this car here, and this is basically the new Stratos. The chassis is based on a Ferrari 430 Scuderia, but it's shortened, and we have a full carbon fiber interior and everything, and we have the engine of the Ferrari 430, of course the naturally aspirated V8, and inside the car we have all the components and parts of the 430 Scuderia there, as you can tell, in the center, and the dashboard, and basically everything is based on the Ferrari 430 Scuderia. But it is now a rebuild of the Lancia Stratos, the icon and the true legend. A few facts about this car is that we have 1,250 kilograms with 540 horsepower, and this helps the car to run from 0 to 200 in only 9.6 seconds, which is absolutely incredible. They saved 81 kilograms with the body as it's full carbon fiber, and they saved 14 kilograms with the seats as we now have super light seats in the car. The battery inside the car is in a carbon fiber case, so they lost 13 kilograms with the battery as well, and they also lost 18 kilograms with the front window being super thin. So this car is just an absolute beast, and of course an absolute legend. So in case you guys wonder about the price tag of this Stratos here, so the price tag is around 550,000 Swiss francs, but you need to bring your own 430 Scuderia so they can rebuild the whole car and make this Stratos. And they're going to produce 25 units of this car, which is very, very good to keep it limited. And of course, I mean, look at the carbon fiber, a full carbon fiber body kit. It is really, really crazy. On this poster visible, we have the old Stratos, which they've built 450 units, and now we have the rebuild of the Stratos. Here we have a comparison of the rears of both cars and other details as well. I mean, this is absolutely incredible. I would have never thought to see this many crazy cars out here today. Definitely a crazy start into the new year. Alright, we are now inside this huge G-Class, and it is unbelievable. And obviously the interior is beautiful. Here we have the different modes: rear-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and all this differential. And the seats with the red stitching, it is unreal. So this car is based on a Mercedes-Benz G350D, and it's a one-of-one. So they built this car only once. So this is, I'm basically sitting in a one-of-one in the entire world. This is incredible. The price tag is 150,000, which isn't too much in my opinion, because this car is bonkers. Alright, so here we have the Glickenhaus SCG003. I'm not even sure if I'm telling it right, but this is an absolute beast. And we have three different types. We have the Competizione, we have the Stradale, and there's something in between. The Competizione is this car here, and you're not able to go onto the streets with this car. But with the Stradale you have full permission to drive on the streets, and the one in between is the one you're able to drive in the US, but unfortunately not in Switzerland. So this is the Competizione. As I said, we have 750 horsepower, 4.4 liter naturally aspirated V8, and I mean, it is incredible. A bit of a detail to the story of this car. So you're now able to tell that we have Manufactory Automobili Torino on the front. Mr. Glickenhaus himself has splitted these guys here who have built and engineered this car, and Mr. Glickenhaus is now only operating in America, in the US. And they've bought this car, so this car is owned by this company here, and they're giving it to different races and stuff. So this is something quite important. So this is basically the only car left in Europe, and the rest of the car and the rest of the fleet is now in the US and operating and racing in the US. Alright guys, and that is basically it for today's video at the Traum Motorsports. We have a beautiful Morgan right here. And over here we have the AMG. And again, thank you so much to Traum Motorsport for bringing me this opportunity to film so many one-of-one cars and crazy cars. And what's, for me personally, what's the craziest thing is that this Lancia Stratos, the people, the engineers and the ones who founded this car and are building it were here, and I was talking to them. They're from Torino and they're super really nice and cool dudes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like or a comment if you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you soon, guys.